The governor of South Carolina is mandating an evacuation effective at 3 p.m. today. The evacuation order includes all people in certain coastal evacuation zones of the following counties: Charleston, Dorchester, and Berkeley County. Evacuation zones B, C, D, East, F, G, and I. Colleton County, Evacuation Zone A. Beaufort County, Evacuation Zone A. Jasper County, Evacuation Zone A. The South Carolina Department of Public Safety, the South Carolina Department of Transportation, and supporting agencies will reverse the direction of traffic along certain evacuation routes to ease the flow of traffic away from the coast. Travel will only be possible in one direction away from the coast on those routes while the evacuation is in progress. South Carolina South Emergency Helpline is active at 1-866-246-0133.